Alright, so we're going to start off with this. It's question 9, palindrome number. So basically we are given an integer x and we want to return true if it's a palindrome and false otherwise. So basically if it reads the same from left to right. So 121, that would be, because backwards it's 121. Negative 121 wouldn't be, because it would be 121 with the hyphen at the end, which isn't. So they also want us to solve it without converting it to a string. So we're going to start this. So basically we're going to have like an edge case. So basically if it's less than 0, so if it's a negative number, it's going to have that hyphen at the end. So we don't want that. So we're just going to have, if it's less than 0, return false. That'll get rid of most of all the negative cases right off the bat. And then we're going to say original equals x, and then new num equals 0. Okay. Sweet, sweet. And then so we're going to basically be like, while x is greater than 0. Alright. Yeah, so basically like what we're going to do is we're going to try and basically rewrite this so that way it's backwards but without converting it to a string. So what we're going to do is we're going to do digit equals x modulus 10. So like let's say if it's like 121. So if we do like modulus 10, so basically divided by 10 would be 12, right? But we don't want 12 because that's not the part we want. We want the 1, and we want to write that 1 to the new number. So we go new num equals new num times 10 plus digit. So since new num starts here, if we were to go like 121, it would be basically be like, okay, so the new num now equals 0 times 10 plus the digit. So the digit is this modulus 10, so it'd be 1. So it would add 1 to the new number. So we start the 1, and then like when it come back again, we do x equals x divided by 10. So we do this. It's a divide by 10, but we also want it to like round down because we're dealing with digits. Yeah, and then so return original equals new num. Okay, so I'll show you how it's running so far. Okay, so yeah, it works. But here, I'll run a little print for you so you can kind of see. So print digit, and then I'm gonna print new num. And then I'm going to print x, so we can kind of see like what's going on here. So as it goes through, so we start off, so the first digit is 1, and then we're basically, so the new number is this 1 right here, and then x is now 12. So it's like we have 121, so we're popping off the 1, and then we're leaving it with just like the 12 to go to the next one. And then so the next digit's 2, and so we add the 2 to that, and then the next digit's 1, we add the 1. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions at all, because I would love to help out. But yeah, this I believe is one of the faster methods of doing this. So yep, 90.